Hi everybody, today I will discuss about how we can make our path dynamic. So static, if you take any static path, that macro will work on your system, but that macro will not work on next system, another system. Okay, so how we can make my path dynamic? So let's see the practical approach. Alt F11, go to code window, write down macro sub create dynamic path. First, I will discuss about static path, how we can open existing workbook. So you will have to write here workbooks dot open. Here I will pass static path first. So I'm putting here, no, sorry, I will take path of any workbook. So I'm taking path of this workbook. So copy path from here and paste into this. This is a static path. But if you want to make it dynamic, I will let you know. Here I'm taking static path hr.xlsx. Okay, so this is a static part. I'm going to close that open workbook. I'm adding some data into range. Range a1 equal to, I'm taking here name, name and range. I'm taking salary in b1 equal to salary in b1. Now I'm closing that workbook. Which workbook I have opened? hr.xls. So I'm taking here workbooks, bracket start, inverted comma, hr.xlsx dot close. True. Now it will save your workbook and close. You can see here, I'm running this. You can see name and salary is header and close that workbook. Now this code will work on your system, that's fine, because this complete path of your system. Okay, if you want to make it dynamic, then you will have to use environ function. Instead of this path, you can make environ function here. You can make this path dynamic. So how we can do it? You have to open the immediate window. I'll let you know about the environ function. So environ function give you system path. So environ, then here you need to type in user profile. Okay, in user profile you will get this complete path. This complete path you will get. Okay, so this complete path of your system, if this macro will run on another system, that system path you will get it through the environment function. Enter. You can see here you are getting same path whatever path you are looking here. So how we can make it dynamic? You have to remove this complete path from here and utilize environ function. Environ bracket start user profile inverted comma bracket close. Now here you need to concatenate the path of this one. Now done. Now this environ function make my path dynamic. So this path will pick my system path. Whenever you will try to run this macro on another system, it will make path of another systems also. So dynamically it will pick your system path. Okay. So now I'm running this code, edit header and close that workbook. Same macro can work on another system also, but in a static path you cannot run this code. Okay, without environ function you cannot run this code on another system. Thank you so much. This is for this video.